Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply Ghost Bond to a lace wig. First, ensure your skin is impeccably clean. Use rubbing alcohol to remove all oils and residue from your hairline, creating a perfect surface for adhesion. Next, prepare your natural hair by braiding it flat or using a wig cap to keep it secure. Finally, always perform a patch test with a small amount of Ghost Bond on your skin, at least 24 hours beforehand, to check for any sensitivities. Now let's apply the adhesive. Using an applicator, spread a very thin, even layer of Ghost Bond directly onto your clean hairline. It is crucial to let this first layer dry completely until it turns clear and feels tacky, not wet. Repeat this process, applying 2 to 4 additional thin layers. Each layer must dry clear and tacky before the next is applied, ensuring a strong, long-lasting bond for your wig. With your adhesive layers ready, it is time to secure your wig. Carefully align the lace wig with your natural hairline, ensuring it sits perfectly for a seamless appearance. Gently lay the lace onto the tacky adhesive. Then, using the back of a comb or a soft brush, press the lace firmly into the bond, working from the center of your forehead outwards. This technique helps to eliminate air bubbles and ensures a strong, even attachment. After applying your wig, proper curing and maintenance are key for longevity. For the strongest hold, avoid any contact with water, sweat, or excessive moisture for at least 24 hours. It is also important not to touch or adjust your wig during this initial curing period. To maintain your bond, gently clean your hairline as needed using products specifically designed for lace wig care. This will help keep your wig secure and looking fabulous.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.